I'm Captain Josh Slocum, currently a C-17 Weapons Officer, Tactics Flight Commander in the 14th Airlift Squadron at Joint Base Charleston, South Carolina. We came out here, we took 3 aircraft from the 437th Operations Group at Charleston Air Force Base to come out and do some integration here with the 389th Fighter Squadron at Mountain Home, just to try to expand our combat capabilities both for our mobility and CAF aircraft. It's really important for us to work together as the combat and mobility air forces as we look to expand the capabilities and the global reach of the U.S. Air Force. This is a great opportunity for us to work together and develop new tactics and procedures that we can use going forward.